Hello guys. Here I have an Excel sheet, and as you see there is different dates. I put different dates, and here there is a title, date, functions and formulas in Microsoft Excel. And you remember that in the previous video there is where we calculated the difference between two dates, and today I want to show you different functions and formulas that are very important and related to the dates that we don't use in Microsoft Excel, and they are very well helpful. And today I just want to start showing you how we can just extract date, how we can extract days, month, year, and how we can just know the day. You see here it is in 2000, and how can I know this day without going to the calendar and to check? How can I know the month exactly, the month in text? How can I know the day in text? How can I just extract the month alone in this form and this date that I have here? And let me, for example, say today, today. Let me start with the today function. Today we suppose I don't know the date of today. How can I know it? It's where we use today function. I just type equal sign and I type today, and I cross parentheses, I open parentheses, and I immediately cross parentheses too, and I hit enter. This is how we use today function. Just type today equal sign today, you open parentheses, and you immediately cross, you hit enter to get the date of today. And I can just scroll down to know that you have to copy the formula, and this is the same day, but I just want to calculate the difference. I can just calculate the difference, and the difference comes in days. I can just put here formula that calculate the days that are between this date and this date. 12 July, here you can see 12 July 2000, and I just want to know how many days passed here. I can just type equal sign. I take the today date and I subtract this date, and I hit enter to see how many days. These are the days. Let me left around this. Then now this date, 8,036 days. These are the days that are between here and here, between this date. And with this formula I can just know how many months, how many years are there. I can just go here where I just have a function. You can see I can just go here and put parentheses and let me put parentheses. I can just cross my parentheses and divide by 365. I just can just hit enter to know the years. Here they are 22. There are 22 years from 20 and from 2000 or 2000 up to 2022. And this is how I can know the difference. I can just scroll down to know how many years. I can just divide it by 12 here. I can just divide by 12 here to know the months. You can see there are 669 months. You see, we can just do many things, and I can scroll down to know the the months. I can just go back there and put 365 to know the else that are there, how many years they are 22. I can scroll down to copy the formula to know how many years are there. Now with this, I can extract a day. I just maybe want only days. I maybe want a month, and how to do it. Maybe I just I just want days. How can I extract day? I just go here and type a function that will extract only the days of here. I just put equal sign. I put equal sign here, and I just put equal sign, and then I click to just type a function here. This is day equal sign day. I just want only to extract 12, and I cross parentheses. I put the serial number here. It's at this date. I just want to extract 12. I just close my parentheses. I hit enter. Yeah, this is 12. You can see I can scroll down to extract other days. Here you see there is 17. Yeah, 6, 15. I can even extract months. I can extract months too. And I just go here, type a function here, just put a month function, and I just put a click on this date as a reference or serial number. I cross and I hit enter. Now I have July. I can just do the same here, copy the formula. I just scroll down to copy the formula. I can just extract how many. Can extract only 2000. And how to do it? Type equal sign. I put here function, and I cross here. I just put a reference or serial number. I cross. I just hit here to extract only 2000, and I can just copy the formula to down. Now here I'm done with extracting days, months, and years, and now I just want to know the day. How can I just know the day that this day 12, and how to do it? I just want to know if it was 12, it was Wednesday, it was Sunday. How to know it? Date name. How to know it? I put a function that will tell me it was Tuesday, it was Friday, it was Thursday. How to do it? Now I put a formula and include the text. I just put text. I just want to know this day. Here there is a value, and here there is format text. Value, I just want to know the day of here. The day here it was, and I put a comma, and I just here just put a format, and here I put a quote. And I put 4D that stand for days. You just put 4D. This one stand for day, and I close parentheses here, and I hit enter. You see immediately it was Wednesday. And you can even just go here and see the day of the date of today. Let me type text. I open parentheses. Maybe yeah, this today. I just put a comma. I quote D3. I just quote 4D. 1, 2, 3, 4D. I just cross the quote, and I cross parentheses. I hit enter. Today also is Wednesday, and I scroll down to know the to copy the formula to see here the day in the text. I just scroll down to see. Here it was Sunday, here it was Monday, twice Tuesday, and you can go on and on. You see, you can now update the day. You can just exactly know the day it was. If you have only the date and month and year, you can immediately know the day, the text, the exact day it was. And you can do the same for month. You can just extract the month name. You can just put month name. How to do it? You can we do it the same way. We do it the same way. We just put a equal sign. Now text. You open parenthesis. And where is the value? The value is this one. And I just put a comma. I called, what do I want to call it? Is a month. We just type 4M. 4M for month and 4D for day. Let me just type 4M and I close the quote and I close parenthesis. I hit enter. You see here it is July. It is July. I just go on the scroll down. I scroll down to see here it was January, here it was December. You can see here January, December, and this is November. And you can extract here, but here you cannot get it in the text. It will immediately extract the number. Even if I put the text, I can put the text. Let me put the text and I cross parenthesis. I hit here to the value or the reference, the date that I want to refer to. Here put a comma, I put a quote and I type 4y to indicate the year. I cross the quote and I cross parenthesis. I hit enter. You see I have 2000. I copy the formula down here. I scroll down to copy the formula. And guys, you see now, you see how you can just get a month name, how you can extract only months from the date, how you can just use all those functions, and formulas to deal with the date. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is very important and very useful, and I hope you are just going to start using these functions and formulas related to date. Guys, see you next time, and I hope you are just going to start applying this. Guys, hit subscribe button and see you next time.